Steve Carell.
Hello.
How the devil are you?
I am the devil father.
Good. We're here to have a chat about your movie. It's called Alexander and a Terrible, Horrible, No Good, Very Bad Day. Imagine for a second, Steve, that you work in a cinema. You're not Steve Carell anymore. You work at a cinema. I'm coming into that cinema. I want to see a movie. I've not made my mind up yet what I'm going to see. It's your job to sell me a ticket to a film.
Okay.
Can I just get into character? Do you mind?
Sure.
Okay.
I'll get into character as well.
If you could, that'd be great. I'm there. How you doing? Yeah, all right. Hi, I've got a bit of time to kill. I just wondered what's on at the cinema.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, I'm all right. Yes, are you okay? You sound a bit unwell.
Do you want some popcorn?
Not if you're the person making it. No, just want
Do you want
to.
some candy?
With that voice, definitely not. Maybe just tell me what I can watch.
Soft drink.
Yeah, I'll decide on the refreshments in a second. I sort of need to one step at a time. So first thing would be the film. What can you recommend?
What kind of movies do you like?
Oh, I like kind of fun movies. I'm in the zone for something that's kind of fun, not scary, not too romantic, just enjoyable. A romp.
You want to see a romp?
Well, yes, if that's okay.
Do you like movies with kids and animals? My mom.
Was she a fan?
She was a fan. She's 130.
Wow.
And they say that it's good for kids 2 to 130.
That's annoying because I've got a 1-year-old cousin.